Hello and welcome to Shadow's classes. Today we are going to solve two questions based on quantitative aptitude. As we know that quants is one of the most important portion in any competitive examination, and it is the most scoring portion also, as it requires only your basic numerical and mathematical skills like from class 6 to class 10. So people are used to get enough score to increase their total marks. Okay, so let's start with the first problem. In a triangle ABC, in center is O and the angle BOC is equals to 110 degree, and we need to find the measure of angle BAC. So first of all, we draw the required triangle ABC. Okay. Now the in center is O and angle BOC is 110 degree. Okay. Now we join O and F and O and E, where F is a point on AC and E is a point on AB. Okay. Now we assume that angle OBC is equals to angle OCB is equals to x degree. Therefore, the triangle OBC is an isosceles triangle. Therefore, the triangle OBC is isosceles. Okay. Hence, we can write that 180 degree is equals to angle OBC plus angle OCB plus angle BOC in the triangle OBC. We already know the value of angle BOC, which is 110 degree by the question. Therefore, 180 degree minus 110 degree is equals to 2x degree, which reduces to 70 minus 2 is equals to x degree, which is 35 degree. Okay. Now we already know that angle ABC is equals to 2 into angle OBD, and angle ACB is equals to 2 into angle OCD. Now OBD and OCD both are x degree as we assume. Therefore, angle ABC is 70 degree, so as angle ACB. Therefore, in triangle ABC, angle ABC plus angle ACB plus angle BAC is equals to 180 degree. Therefore, angle BAC is equals to 180 degree minus 140 degree, that is 70 plus 70. Hence, angle BAC is equals to 40 degree. So option B is the right answer. Now let's check the next problem. Alcohol and water in two vessels A and B are in the ratio 5:3 and 5:4 respectively. In what ratio the liquids in both the vessels be mixed to obtain a new mixture in the vessel C in the ratio 7:5? So first of all, we have two vessels with alcohol and water. Here the fraction of alcohol is 5/8 and the fraction of water is 3/8. Yet the fraction of alcohol is 5/9 and water is 4/9. Okay, now let we mixed these two mixture in m:n ratio to get a new mixture with the ratio of alcohol and water, which is 7:5. Okay, therefore we can say that we have mx amount from the first mixture, that means the mixture in vessel A, and we have nx amount from the second. Okay, hence the amount of alcohol in the new mixture is mx into 5/8 plus nx into 5/9, and the amount of water is mx into 3/8 plus nx into 4/9. So if we divide these two amount, we get 7/5. Hence our required equation is 5mx divided by 8 plus 5nx divided by 9 whole divided by 3mx divided by 8 plus 4nx divided by 9 is equals to 7/5. Or we can write 45m plus 40n divided by 27m plus 32n is equals to 7/5, or 45m by n plus 40 whole divided by 27m by n plus 32 is equals to 7/5. Therefore 45 into m multiplied by m by n plus 40 into 5 is equals to 7 into 27 m by n plus 7 into 32. Or we can write 45 into 5 minus 27 into 7 multiplied by m by n is equals to 7 into 32 minus 40 into 5. Therefore, the value of m by n is equals to 32 into 7 minus 40 into 5 divided by 45 into 5 minus 27 into 7, and after calculation we get 24 divided by 36. Therefore, our required ratio is 2:3. So 2:3 our required answer. But there is also a trick to solve this question, which helps us to solve this problem in a very quick manner. So let's see that trick. We already have the amount of alcohol in the vessel A as 5/8 and in the vessel B as 5/9, and the combination of A and B as 7/12. This is for alcohol. Okay. Now if we apply alligation rule, we can write it as 7/12. Here we have the amount of alcohol from vessel A, the amount of alcohol from vessel B. Therefore, in the new mixture, we have the fraction of alcohol as 7/12 minus 5/9, which results in 1/36, and the amount of water is 5/8 minus 7/12, which results in 1/24. So our required ratio is 1/36 is to 1/24, therefore 2:3. Okay, so we have solved this problem applying alligation rule also. So that's all for today. If you want to know more about quants, then you can join our classes. So feel free to contact us in this two number 9836793076 or 9874822756. And for further details, you also can check our website, which is www.sorofsclasses.com. Thank you very much.